Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to SHIB update today. So SHIB is trading at 1730. We previously were trading at nearly up here at 2000. Now, unfortunately, before we met the target, which was actually 2331, it seems like in the middle of nowhere, SHIB actually decided to come down, take some stop losses again, and make this a little bit more uncomfortable. So your trend line was this, you break above, you're supposed to go up here. In the middle, you still come down. Now, is this target invalidated? Are we going to go up to that target? Is it over? Well, the answer is that this is not over. It's not really over. SHIB in the future, I do actually expect it to push higher than 2331, go up to the 4000, and also go up to kill the zero, which is the mission. Thing is, we are looking at double bottom right now, and this is your first bottom right over there, second bottom right over there, right? And eventually this is actually good, because when you do a double bottom, that actually shows that you're losing control of the sell-off and you're actually gaining control of the buy. So the buy is actually stronger than the sell at the moment, and when the buy is going to be stronger, well, of course, you're looking for the coin to start to push to the upside. If I look on the 4-hour time frame as well, you can see that it's even clear right over there. How about the daily? So if we go back and check the daily time frame, and let's actually look at the EMAs if we have anything. Now, the only thing that is a problem is that you are under the EMAs, but judging on how Bitcoin looks like, and I think Bitcoin is ready for the $100,000 at the moment. I know a lot of you don't want to believe this, okay? But imagine you have Elon Musk, who is probably one of the most influential person all over the world right now. He actually owns Twitter and whatnot. He activated the laser eyes focused, which actually probably what we believe, we people, by we I mean who are into crypto, okay? People who are into crypto, learning crypto, practicing crypto, looking at the news of crypto. We believe that that actually means that Elon Musk is actually signaling a bull run is ahead. He is actually showing its bull run mode time at the moment. Halving is done, everything is done, and I'm really excited to see what is about to happen in the next 10 to 15 months time frame, because the next 10 to 15 months time frame can actually be the most golden time in crypto. Well, time will tell, but I have strong belief we're going to be getting those 10x's, 20, 30, 40, 50, even up to 1000x. Well, Ethereum spot ETF also got approved, so I have a lot of reason to believe that. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love, peace.